Okay, this is the P3 paper from October 2023. It's question number 2, and this is a functions and graphs question. In particular, we've got some composite functions and some inverse functions. Let's have a look at it then. So it says the function is defined by fx is equal to x plus 3 over x minus 4, and obviously x not equal to 4 in terms of the domain there. Part A, can we find f of 6? Part B, can we find f of minus 1? Well, let's get started and do the first part. So, excuse me, f of 6. fx was equal to x plus 3 over x minus 4. So f of 6, which is not quite what we want, but it's getting there, will be 6 plus 3 over 6 minus 4. So that's 9 over 2. So f of 6 is then going to be the same as f of 9 over 2. So putting 9 over 2 into that function, it's going to give me 9 over 2 plus 3 over 9 over 2 minus 4, and substitute all that in. The answer works out to be equal to 15. Part B then says, can we find the inverse? So if the function was written down in terms of y equals x plus 3 over x minus 4, and then let's just rearrange, make x a subject. So y x minus 4 is equal to x plus 3, which is yx minus 4y is equal to x plus 3, and then just continue with the rearranging. Yx minus x equals 4y plus 3, take x as a factor. This should all be very, very standard to you. Done any work on your functions at all. So we're going to get x works out to be equal to 4y plus 3 all over y minus 1. Now let's write that down properly. So f to the minus 1x is going to be 4x plus 3 over x minus 1. And you must include the domain part as well. Obviously, we cannot have x being equal to 1 on that bottom part there. So the complete answer for f to the minus 1x. And then the last part says g of x is x squared plus 5. X is going to be greater than 0. Find the exact value of a for which g f a equals 7. Okay, right, no problem. Part C then, so g of x was equal to x squared plus 5. F of a would be equal to just putting a into the previous function, a plus 3 over a minus 4. So GFA is going to be putting that in. So it's a plus 3 over a minus 4, that squared plus 5. And we want that to equal 7. Okay, so if a plus 3 over a minus 4 all squared plus 5 equals 7. We've now just got to solve this. The simplest way to do that is to say, take the 5 over. So a plus 3 over a minus 4 squared is going to be equal to 2. Multiply out all that top part. So we're going to get a squared 6a plus 9, and we're going to get a squared minus 8a plus 16 equals 2. Multiply out and tidy it up, so a squared plus 6a plus 9 is going to be equal to 2a squared minus 16a plus 32 there. Well, that all tidies up to a squared minus 22a plus 23 equals 0. You could try and factorise it, but it doesn't factorise, so you have to use quadratic formula. A works out to be minus b plus or minus the square root of, and then all this stuff. So b, I'm doing it too quickly. B squared minus 4ac all over 2. And I'm just going to jump straight to the answer there. That works out to be 11 plus or minus 7 root 2, but remember x was greater than or equal to 0. So the only value is is 11 plus 7 root 2. Okay, so not a bad question for a number 2. Hopefully that'll make sense to you.